Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Fortnite without using the Epic Games Launcher. Let's start by opening your internet browser. Go to Google and in the search bar type Fortnite. Then press Enter. In the search results, look for the official Fortnite website. It should be fortnite.com. Make sure it's the real site, then click the link to open it. Once the Fortnite website loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a download button there. Click on that to continue. On the download page, you'll notice several ways to play Fortnite. The first option you see will be through the Epic Games Launcher. Since we don't want to use that, scroll down the page until you see more options. Here, you'll find other platforms that let you play Fortnite using cloud streaming. These include Amazon Luna, GeForce Now, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. All of these allow you to play Fortnite without installing the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Now, choose the option that suits you best. If you pick GeForce Now, click on that option. You'll be taken to the GeForce Now website. On their page, click on Play Now. If you already have an NVIDIA account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to create one. After that, just follow the steps on the site to start playing Fortnite in the cloud. If you prefer Xbox Cloud Gaming, click on that option instead. You'll be redirected to the Xbox Cloud Gaming page. There, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, follow the instructions provided to get started. If you want to use Amazon Luna, click on the Luna option. It will take you to the Amazon Luna website. On that page, click Play with Luna. Then follow the setup steps to begin playing Fortnite through Luna. Each of these platforms allows you to play Fortnite without having to download or install the Epic Games Launcher. But keep in mind, you'll need to create an account for whichever service you choose. Also, some of these services may require a paid subscription to access Fortnite or other features. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.